Welcome everybody from your local alarm system specialist at Advance Alarms. In this video, we will show you all of the ZWave basic functions and operations on the DMP Virtual Keypad app. Once logged in, the Virtual Keypad app can offer you full control over virtually every aspect of your home monitoring system, which includes controlling all of your ZWave devices in ways you may have never thought possible. From our home screen, we have simple controls to view our alarm panel history, control ZWave lights, lock or unlock doors, or control your thermostat. If you press the pencil in the top left-hand corner, you'll be given the option to go in and select which available features you want active on your home screen. And you can also reorder their positions by selecting Reorder. And by pressing on the hamburger icon to the right and dragging your finger, you can adjust them in any order you feel best suits your needs. And when done, press Save. The Favorites menu gives the user the option to create quick access options for your favorite ZWave menus, like controlling your thermostat, turning on lights, or locking doors. You can select any of your ZWave options to list here by selecting the pencil in the top left-hand corner. Below Favorites, the Virtual Keypad app will give you a list of all ZWave devices we currently have connected to our system. Here we have doors, thermostats, and lights. Each option will give the user the ability to adjust and control that option manually. The Schedules option allows a user to schedule your system to automatically arm or disarm at preset times. You can click on existing schedules to edit them or adjust specific dates and times, or click on the pencil in the top left-hand corner to add new schedules or delete existing ones. The Geofence menu permits your security system to track your location so that once you have traveled inside or outside the predetermined geofence area, your system will automatically activate or deactivate ZWave devices like lights or doors, or turn on or off your thermostat. You can click on the Edit pencil to create new geofences or delete existing ones. When adding a new geofence, you can either enter in a specific address or simply scroll around on the map using the pinch to zoom option to zoom in or out of a specific area. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you can turn on your geofence push notifications. Smart Arming Reminder will remind you to arm the system if you are the last to leave. Favorites activation notifies you when a favorite has been activated, and Device Enter and Exit will notify you when the selected device has entered or exited the geofenced area. The Rooms option is enabled when any ZWave device has been connected to your DMP security system. With this option, you can take pictures of rooms with ZWave devices and manually set quick touch hotspots on them. Here we can lock or unlock the store by simply tapping on the key icon. The Action menu gives even greater control of your DMP home or commercial security system by allowing specific actions to be automatically performed. Actions can be set by the entire system or just an individual zone. For example, you can set a specific ZWave light to turn on anytime you walk past a certain motion detector or open a door. Or you could create an action to arm all locks after a set duration of time after the alarm system is armed or disarmed. There are a large variety of actions that can be customized to fit your very specific needs. Tap on the pencil in the top left-hand corner to create new actions. As we have seen, controlling your ZWave devices now becomes as simple as a tap and a click on your phone screen, and you can now enjoy the simple comforts of your smart home system. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also click on the little bell icon to receive updates for when we release new instructional how-to videos on your favorite home alarm monitoring system. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you all next time.